How to use your Google Chat account. Introduction. With CES 2018 just a few hours away, I've been getting tons of questions about what Google Assistant can do for you. Looking at the Google Showcase page for the Assistant, you'll find that there are a lot of personal favorite features on this intelligent helper. One of them is the use of chatbots to interact with our virtual assistants, thus providing a voice of reason. This article talks about how Gchat-enabled bots from Macy's allow you include live customer service chat in your assistant. How to open a Google Chat account. If you want to join the Google Chat community, you can use this guide. Opening a Google Chat account is free and easy, and allows you to communicate with friends and family using messaging features. How to use your Google Chat account. Google Chat is a great way to communicate with your friends and family. You can use it to chat, share photos, and even play games together. Here are some tips on how to use Google Chat best. 1. Be sure to sign in to your Google Chat account. If you haven't already done so, you will need to generate a new password after logging in. This is important because you won't be able to access your messages or conversations if you don't have an active Google Chat account. 2. When you're ready to start chatting, type a message into the text box at the top of the screen and hit enter. You can also start a conversation by chatting with someone in your vicinity by clicking on the name next to their chat icon. 3. To share a photo, click on the photo icon next to the person's name and select Share. You can also send a quick video by clicking on the camera icon and selecting Record. 4. If you want to chat with someone but they're not currently online, click on their name and choose Start Chat. You'll be connected with them right away. Ways you can use Chat. Google has become one of the most commonly used tools in the world, and for good reason. It's efficient, convenient, and easy to use. In this article, we'll discuss some of the ways you can use your Google Chat account to enhance your online experience. If you're ever feeling alone or disconnected from the world, a good way to break out of that state is by using Google Chat. It's a free online messaging service that lets you communicate with people around the world in real time. You can use Chat to stay connected with friends and family while you're on the go, or to talk to someone without having to worry about typing all your messages. Here are some tips on how best to use Chat. First and foremost, make sure you have an active Google Chat account before starting. If you don't have one yet, sign up for free at gmail.com. Once you have an account, open it up and click on the Chats tab. This is where you'll find all of your ongoing conversations and chats with other users. Click on any of them to jump into the conversation. Simple shortcuts for using the Android version of the program Google Chat for Android enables you to communicate with friends and family through a secure messaging interface. The app includes simple shortcuts that make it easy to send and receive messages. Here are 3 tips for using Google Chat. 1. To start a conversation, open the Google Chat app and open the conversation you want to start. If the other person is not available yet, they'll appear as a green invisible chat icon in your conversation list. Tap on the icon to start chatting. 2. To reply to someone, tap on their username in the conversation list and click on their message. You can also long press on any message and select reply. 3. To delete a message or conversation, open the conversation and tap on the trash can icon at the bottom of the screen. Advanced tips and tricks. Google Chat is a powerful chat tool that can help you stay connected with family and friends. Here are some advanced tips and tricks to help you use Google Chat to its fullest potential. 1. Use emoticons to get a laugh or a personality to your messages. Google Chat comes equipped with a wide range of emoticons, so you can express whatever mood strikes you. For example, using an angry face with the word angry will produce the angry face emoticon in your message. You can also use this feature to inject humor into your conversations. 2. Set up group chats with friends or family members. Group chatting is a great way to easily keep in touch with multiple people at once. You can create a chat group by clicking on the plus icon next to someone's name in your chat list, or by joining an existing one. Once you're in a group chat, all participants will see the same profile picture and name at the top of the chat box. 3. Use Google Hangouts as your primary chat platform. Google Hangouts is a free video chat service that works with both Chrome and Firefox browsers. You Conclusion: Google Chat is a great way to stay connected with friends and family. You can use it to send messages, videos, and pictures. By following these tips, you will be able to use Google Chat to its fullest potential.